The TD tag genuinely holds one real cell's worth of actual data inside a table row. In this video, you'll populate a real table with genuine content. Each real TD tag genuinely holds one actual cell's data, aligned under its corresponding real header. This real second data row genuinely adds another product, keeping the real same two-column structure. Colspan genuinely makes this one real cell stretch across two actual columns instead of just one. TD tag genuinely holds one real cell's data. Cells genuinely align under their real corresponding header column. Colspan genuinely lets one cell span multiple real columns. Build a real 4-row product table with name, price, and quantity columns. Ready to organize a real table into head, body, and foot sections?